everyone. Very thrilled and happy to be as part of COMPUTEX, the largest edition ever. Very happy to see a lot of nationalities, a lot of different companies. It's very hard to be able to see everyone and all the innovation that are there. Very happy also to see the latest innovation of NVIDIA with, of course, the full racks of Vera Rubin and all the latest innovation. So happy to be as Aleria as part of COMPUTEX today in Taipei. So my name is Jerome. I'm CEO of Aleria. Aleria is a big data and AI company based in Abu Dhabi. We are part of IHC, International Holding Company, and we currently spread our operation over 1,000 customers in 48 different countries, ranging from all the stack covering the entirety of the sovereign AI factory. So from the infrastructure with all our partner, with NVIDIA, of course, with DDN, with Embers, our Middle East preferred partner, and to be able to range this to the orchestration of this infrastructure with the Aleria Cloud, which is our software stack to be able to manage the entirety of your infrastructure very easily. So from your GPU orchestration to your CPU management, to be sure that you have a seamless experience and be able to manage your infrastructure in a few clicks. And then, very important, our data fusion platform that will ensure that you can connect to literally any source of information and that you can deploy AI at scale in the entirety of your company, connecting from your ERP to your CRM to external databases, APIs, you name it. And last but not least, the Agentic platform from Aleria that enables thousands of use cases that are already on the shelf. So they will be able to run for different type of verticals. We work a lot in banking, in healthcare, in real estate construction, in investment, and many others. And we are proud to serve all the Middle East market, of course, but rather to bring what we do from the UAE to the world. That's why we are here also today. And would be happy to see you trying Aleria for your company and to be able to get a time to value that is basically from few hours to few days to have your entire agentic capability ready and available in production. Thank you very much.